Hello, good farmers. Welcome to another episode of Farm with Paul. And today, I want to talk to that person who wants to start dairy farming. What should you consider first before starting a dairy farming business? One and the most important thing that I always tell every farmer is invest in knowledge. Because I've realized in Kenya, most farmers who are doing the dairy farming, they have no knowledge on the various aspects of dairy farming. They fail in investing in knowledge, hence they are running a business that does not make profit and a business that is not sustainable. And when I talk about knowledge, what I mean is, if you haven't started, first of all, learn on the various breeds. Know the kind of breeds that are available in the market and easily available in the market, their characteristics and their requirements. And the other part is, by learning the different breeds, you'll know the different feed requirements of each cow, depending on production, size of the body, temperaments, and all that. Whenever you invest in knowledge, you'll also know how to feed your cow even before purchasing it. And by knowing how to feed your cow, you'll know how to make your total mixed ration, or simply what we call the balanced diet. You will know on the various diseases and how to manage them. You will know on the requirements of a cow shed, and you will be able to also plan for your feeds for the longest time possible for you to be able to make profit and take advantage of the seasons when the feeds are plenty and when it is not. So, before investing in dairy farming, first invest in knowledge. And that will help you during planning, fodder, and even management of your dairy cow. And on top of that, you'll be able to know where your dairy farming journey is actually making profit, making losses, and you will know when to increase grow your business and when to quit. First, knowledge is power.